Welcome back to the channel. What have we got here? You know what it is? It's a little I have a short sleeve shirt on under this jacket. It's not super cold outside, so don't get it twisted about me wearing a jacket. That's when you're cultured, you get your T finger out. So, what are we doing? To be perfectly honest, we probably wasted some money. I don't want to say wasted, it's only a waste if you don't use it, but we bought some, look at how fancy this is. I mean, we're on eBay, it's raining, it's cold, you know, Teresa's sick, and so we're on eBay, and we got like, you know, 40 bucks to spend, so we're looking at stuff. So this is what we're looking at. Something like this right here. And of course we got two of them. And you know, something like this right here. I mean, it's probably gonna look terrible. We can cut it, you know, put it through the hood. We also got this. We only got one. We want to see how it fit. And it's probably going to look terrible because one will go this way and one will go that way, or I can just have them go out. I haven't decided yet. Haven't even put them on or looked at it or anything. We also got our fuel pressure regulator, which I didn't bring. It's just some cheap China stuff. Chiba, got that Chiba parts. We got a hat spacer. So that'll help us clear the distributor and all that kind of stuff. So if that was going to be an issue, it won't be now. Plus it looks super cool. We still hadn't got our carburetor. We got a line on a carburetor. We got a couple options and we just hadn't pulled the trigger on any of them yet, just to, you know, see what we want to do. So for the moment, I'm just going to kind of stick these things on here just to kind of get an idea of how things are going to fit and stuff like that. So I guess we'll be back in a few minutes.
Got a new job as an Uber driver. Daily Fox Life.
We are at the JY. And it looks pretty pathetic, honestly. Teresa had, she's getting her color in her hair, so I, you know, Junkyard's kind of close to where she does that. So she goes, what are you gonna do? I said, I think I'm gonna go to Junkyard, just see what's going on. She goes, well, you know, you can take me over here. I said, yeah, okay. There we go. So here we are. Hey, there's your intake. Make you port it for a blower. So, all right, let me look around. If I see anything interesting, you guys will be the first to know. Old fire chicken. Still got a snowflake on it. Shovel nose car. Automatic. Still, wow, I don't want to say I can't believe it's still got parts on it, but that's a shame. Car's actually trunks. Not great, but oh, there we go. Got it in the quarter. Oh well. V6. Danger Ranger. Stick shift. But the true thing here is the number of bungee cords and or wire nuts that are involved in this deal. This guy knew what was going on. I mean, look at this. There's stuff everywhere. That's impressive. Look at all these pins. Oh my God. And a pair of sunglasses. Hold on. Hey guys. This is a major score of markers. Mark 8, dual quad action. It was like a fake Cobra. Yeah. Here we go. Mountaineer, P-headed power for the people. Come and get it. Still all virgin, never been pulled apart. Oh, the gifts keep on coming. Check out this hat. Oh my God. Damn, man, I'm like official, like Gulf Power worker. Look at this thing, dude. Got a chin strap, got a sweatband. Dang. We got the big fat block in here, 460. Look at this thing, it's all screaming 100, probably 90 horsepower or so. Whew, man, that right there, that's what we need, guys. Just stop talking about 351. We'll just go 460. I found Pirate something. Look at this. Him or David. Hey, I'm at the track. I'm shifting with the gears. Here's just a townie in case we need a hood. I mean, you know, we just like paint it black or something. That's our move. That little Ranger over there is a 2.3 4-cylinder. I mean, no kidding, but it is a 5-speed.
Don't even try it, kid. Came in equipped.
Here's the Mustang. Oh, it was a race car. It's got a hood on it. It's a street sleeper. It was 5-speed, so someone got them a transmission out of the deal. Good for them. Oh wow, they went all out. They even painted the bottom of it gold. Got the snorkels up there. Look, it's like a snake. All right, some shoulder pads. Get some. It's playoffs. This is the pick of the day. Someone put some real effort into this. It's got the body package. Don't be fooled, it's 4.6, okay? And I don't know what the hell is going on with this thing, what this is right here, but it's obviously served some kind of a purpose to make things legitimate. It's got the aero stuff. It's got a wing, floor shift automatic, LX. This is a performance machine right here. Look at this paint. It's like a purple. It's pretty impressive. You don't want to try this guy. Pick of the day right there. Well, she's done. So we got to go pick her up. Anyway, not the greatest junkyard trip, but if you're going to ride my, yep, there we go. Sounds like a fitting ending. Okay, this is kind of what we're looking at here on this. Now, you know, to do O2 sensors, what are we going to do with that? We don't know. We could have some welded in, or we can flip them and they'll run farther back and up, and we can do some standard exhaust tubing with the O2, which would put the wires and stuff farther nearer to the firewall. We still haven't 100% decided what we're going to do with the wastegate stuff. We've kind of looked at it to see what we were going to do up, but I don't know. I haven't decided on that yet. We did get our spacer in, so we'll have plenty of distributor room and stuff like that. It's going to get a little weird up here, as you'll see in just a moment, because we got some other parts in, and I'll put them on and we'll kind of look at what we got and where we're going. This is our blow-off valve. We got this 3-inch tube with the flange already welded on. It was like $14 from eBay. So, I mean, it's from China, but I mean, I can't have it done for that cheap. It was 14 bucks shipped with free shipping. So the blow-off valve is a 50 mil. I think it was like 30 something dollars, something like that. So now we'll look at the next piece that we've got, and we've got our Y. Okay. Now, like I say, this is now we got to get from here to there and from there to there. Now, this probably won't be as bad, but this is gonna get, we need an S. Oh Lord have mercy. Oh well, I mean, you know, when you have like no fabrication skills and you just have to actually make stuff fit without being able to weld anything, just kind of cut or this or that, it gets a little janky. So anyway, that's where we are. We're making progress, and a lot of it's because of you guys helping us out. So we certainly appreciate it, and the Lincoln appreciates it. It's actually, whoops, gotta be careful here. It's actually gonna look kind of squirrely. I mean, once the hoses are hooked up, I think it'll look a lot better, but it'll, you know, I don't know. Well, that's gonna do it. I know we haven't been putting out a lot of videos or anything or whatever. We haven't been doing a ton of car work. Been doing kind of a lot of stuff on the computer, looking for parts and things like that. I want to give a quick shout out to one of the subscribers, Chris D. He threw some money in our Venmo account. I appreciate it. You guys don't have to do that. I know people want to help the channel, and realistically, you know, the more thought I put into that, it's like, you know, I'd rather I need to really do the merch thing. So if you want to help the channel, then at least you're getting something for your dollar. You're not just getting me talking and watching, because there's 100 million channels you can watch for entertainment. You don't have to watch mine. So at least at that rate, you would be getting a return on your investment. You'd be getting something material that you could hold. So me and Teresa have been talking about that more. It takes me a long time to do anything, honestly, because I'm picky and this and that, and so whatever. But we've worked on a couple like shirt designs, or that I'm playing with in my head. But yeah, Chris, like I say, he threw some money in my Venmo account, and we get every penny of that versus the YouTube thing. And we put it to good use. We were going to order a few things from Summit, and we ordered that money, went towards a shift knob for the Love Boat. So we needed a new shift knob for this car, and it's on its way. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much. And we're getting closer. I know this is taking a while because I'm trying to jigsaw puzzle this thing together. We also got a fuel pressure regulator, a boost reference fuel pressure regulator for it that I got to put on. And then again, we might potentially have a line on a carburetor. It's a local subscriber that has one that would work for us. I mean, we could basically, it would have the bones of what we could use to make something for this car. I'd use my 750 main body on it, but it would have a lot of the other stuff and put us a little bit ahead on that. We're still deciding what we want to do with the rear end. Kind of a lot of people have been the 9-inch end deal and stuff, and then other ideas. So we haven't committed money to a direction, so we're still open on what we're going to do. Again, thanks to Race Part Solutions for the stuff they've sent. We appreciate it, and you know, as you can see, we're Chinese dealing this thing to death. So again, not going to make a ton of power or anything like that. It's, you know, if it makes somewhere over 300, I'd consider that a bonus. I know that sounds like weak sauce in the day of the 1,000 horsepower street car, but you know, it is what it is. If it makes, it should be more powerful than it was before, so we'll see. But anyway, as far as the Junkyard stuff, I mean, just wasn't really anything there. That's, like I said, nothing going on, but I did go, and you know, you never know. We got a test and tune scheduled for the next weekend, which would be the 21st, but the weather forecast is like 44 degrees for a high for the day, and there's a better than good chance they're not going to run. It's just going to be too cold. I mean, the track won't, you know, you can't get the glue down, the glue won't work. I mean, it's just a mess. So, but if it's open, we're going to try and go. Otherwise, that's it. Appreciate it. You guys are great. Just, you know, I just got to get to work. It's spend too much time on the computer and not enough time on the wrenches. So try and get that squared away a little bit. Anyway, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We just talked a lot about it, but we certainly appreciate it. We couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to, but especially thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body Videos, 1 year twin turbo only Lincolns, 1 year only twin turbo Lincolns, 4 drag vans, proud owner and provider of Club Big Boost, and as always, fighting the good fight against Dr. Fear and zombie Mustangs. We'll see you guys in the next video.